143.
Sir, good evening po. Galing ako kay Big Boss. Pinarating ko na ho lahat ng pinapasabi nyo, sir. Kaso sir, nagiging malabo ng kausap si Coach Jimmy, kaya sabi ni Big Boss, nakapagdesisyon na daw siya. Kailangan na raw ho ng kapalit at si Coach B ang napili niya. Sir, pasensya na, sir. Sinubukan ko pero alam niyo naman si Big Boss na yun eh. Wala na po tayo magagawa. Ang hirap ng maraming amo.
May katwira naman pala si Big Boss. Magaling nga yung Koreano. Palagay ko, hindi papalto si Coach B. Pwede nga silang mapakinabangan. Huwag mo nang problemahin si Coach B at Brent Park. Kung sakali mang maging sakit sila ng ulo, madali naman silang patahimikin.
You're still not happy with this?
Yung totoo, sinuwerte lang tayo.
Suerte? That means luck. You think that was just lucky?
Hanggang hindi na uulit. Oo. Thank you for holding the team together. But winning tonight is not about you. Kain ka lang. Enjoy. I hope you're ready for training.
Bring it on, boss. But Joyce Tagalog is so long. Hello. Hi. This is Brent Park. You sent me a private message? Hello?
Hello? Hello, don't hang up. Andito ako. I am here.
Hi. You said you have information?
I do. Sorry ha. Hindi ito madali para sa akin. Oh, I'm sorry. Do you speak Tagalog?
Konti po.
I said this is not easy for me. The man you are looking for. Kilala ko. I know. I may know who your father is, Mr. Bren Park. Kain ka. Masyado ka namang tense.
Sorry po.
It's okay. I understand. O ano, dala mo ba yung picture?
It just fell out of my mom's old book. Like I was meant to find it. Do you know him? Do you know that man in the picture with my mother?
Yes, I do. Melvin. Ang pangalan niya ay Melvin.
Melvin. M. He's M. He's M.
Hmm?
There was a letter. For my mother, it was signed M. It must be him. Asan po siya? Saan ko kita siya? Please, tell me.
I'm sorry, Bren.
Huh? Bakit po?
Patay na si Melvin, Bren. Wala na siya.
No, it can't be.
He died 2 years ago of lung cancer. It was a long and painful battle. Sa totoo lang, marami kaming plano na hindi natuloy. Papunta na kami dapat sa Canada. Magpapakasal na dapat kami. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Wait, you were planning to get married?
15 years kami nagsama, yes.
Okay, wait. So it means it's impossible that he's my...
Father? Why? Because he's gay? Lalaki pa rin naman si Melvin at alam ko nagkaroon siya ng maraming girlfriend.
Did he mention anything about my mom? Yumi ang pangalan niya.
Yes, naikwento ni Melvin ang mommy mo. He said they were close friends. He said Yumi is special. Pero yun lang. Uminom ka muna. Napakahirap siguro nito para sa'yo.
Akala ko... At hindi ko...
Bren,
I never thought about him being not here anymore.
hindi ko alam ang sasabihin para pagaanin ang loob mo. Pero alam kong lahat ay may dahilan. Everything happens for a reason. May plano ang Diyos.
I lost my whole family in Korea. I have no one. I'm all alone. Why is that the plano for me?
Keep going, team! Bilisan niyo pa! Ulit! Park! Papatay-patay ka! Parang di ka nag-almusal ah!
5 rounds? Ay sa 1 more lang ipatay na ako eh.
Time out na. Punta na tayo kay Lagardo. Opening ngayon ng parlor niya eh. Baka maubusan tayo ng handa.
Coach, may I be excused? I really need to take a break.
Yan tayo eh. Feeling star agad eh. Una, late ka dadating. Tapos ngayon, mauna kang umexit? Husay! Mahusay na halimbawa ng katamaran. Captain?
I didn't ask to be captain. Training ended 10 minutes ago.
Tapos lang ang training kapag sinabi ko ng tapos na ang training.
Vicky, not today. Wala ako sa condition makipagtalo sa iyo.
Tignan mo, ang yabang mo talaga. Palibhasa ang taas ng tingin mo sa sarili mo. Kaya hindi ka marunong sumunod sa mga coach.
Vicky, tama na yan.
Hindi, tay! Maaga pa lang putulan na siya ng sungay. Mabuti nang malaman niya na hindi siya ang boss dito. The coaches run the team and not you!
Well, why don't you play and be the captain then?
Kita nyo na? Malaki na agad ang ulo? Kayo, tuloy lang ang practice! Go!
O narinig nyo, tuloy daw practice.
Pwede na ba yan?
Yes, sir.
Gaano katagal?
Just a few days, sir. Tatawagan na lang po namin kayo pag pwede nyo nang pick upin ang resulta.
Salamat.
Mahal na mahal kita. Love, M. Tita Baby. Sorry po. I lost track of time. Do you need me to cook now?
No, anak. Walter and Tintin namamalengke pa. May bisita ka.
Po? Coach!
Bren, gusto sana kitang makausap. Can we talk?
Coach, about practice kanina, sorry po.
Bren, gusto kong malaman mo na si Vicky, she was born screaming.
What? Po?
Yes. Pinanganak siyang saksakan ng lakas sumigaw. Then sa nursery, she would cry so loud, yung ibang babies will start crying parang chorus. At si Vicky conductor.
Coach, why are you telling me this?
Listen, Bren. Alam ko, pinilit lang kita dito. I know I just forced you into this and I know you and Vicky may problema.
Coach.
Huwag ka na magpaliwanag. Ayaw ko nang tanungin kung ano yun. Dahil kung gustong sabihin sa akin ng anak ko, sasabihin niya yan sa akin. Si Vicky, she is very tough. That's why she is a good team manager. You'll get used to her. And she will accept you.
Coach.
But I want you to know something. Dapat sinabi ko na ito nung una kang pumasok sa Pusakal. Hindi ka lang player. You are family. Okay? Kung may problema ka, if you're going through a rough time, you can lean on your team. You can lean on me. Got that?
Yes, Coach.
Back! Ang taray! Open na ulit! Thank you! Thank you!
Congrats, Cardo!
Salamat, ganda! Maraming lafang na nakahanda, ha?
Ayos! Tibog na tayo!
Magpakabusog kayo, ha? Para siguradong winner na naman ang Team Pusakal next game.
Ay, siguradong mananalo kami. Lalo't bago na ang team captain namin. Made in Korea.
Speaking of your new kapitan, ayun na pala si Pogi. Dala ang order kong extra food.
Red, you take long. Dito na yun.
Sorry po, Madam Gardo, na late kami. Ito po mga order nyo na bibimbap.
Wow, ha? Marunong ka na talaga magtagalog.
Salamat po.
Siyempre! Magaling yata ang teacher!
It's the best bibimbap in Barangay 143. Siniguro ko, masarap po yan.
Biglang humangin ng malakas? Naku, may bagyong parating.
Bagyo? Saan? Ang init kaya? You know, Ipe, some people just have an overactive imagination. Dami kita, kahit wala.
Nagpaparinig ka ba? Do you wanna say something to me?
Me? No. I think you have it wrong. Maybe you have something to say to me. Well?
Ay, parang may something.
Warla?
Madam Gardo, congrats po sa opening ng salon. Una na kami. May trabaho pa sa top sa Turby. Tara, Butchoy. Let's not ruin the party.
Sige! Let's! Ang sinabi mo? Bye, guys!
Ay, bye, Bren. Bochon!
Bye, Gwen!
K-pop, why is Ate Vicky bad trip to you? What is your kasalanan ba?
Ewan ko. Alam mo, dapat nga ako galit sa kanya. She's the one who didn't show up.
No show up? Di ka sinipot? Saan?
Magkita kami dapat. Di siya dating.
Ha? You and Ate Vicky? Nag-date kayo sa Korea?
Haba kwento. Di na bali. Huwag na natin usapan. Tsaka, tapos na. Tara.
Hoy, V! Kaina ka pa na kasi mangot ay. Baka mahipan ng hangin yung mukha mo. Sige ka. Ay, matanong nga kita. Ano ang problema mo dyan kay K-pop? Mula nang dumating yan dito ang init ng dugo mo sa kanya.
Wala.
Ay, hindi maganda sa team yung ginagawa mo.
Sino pang kakampi mo?
Eh, syempre ikaw. Pero yung tension nyo
Lasing ka na ata eh.
Ay, Vicky, makinig ka. Kailangan mo siya.
Hindi ko siya kailangan.
Ay, kailangan siya ng pusakal. Okay? Kailangan siya ni Coach. Okay? Kaya kailangan mo siya. Okay?
Daldal mo?
I don't know. I didn't think this could happen. That I'd find him and he'd be gone.
I'm so sorry to hear about what happened to your father. I am. But maybe it's time for you to think about, coming back home?
Hindi ko alam, Jin. Oh, sorry. I said I don't know, Jin.
Bren, there are people here who care about you. Come back to Korea. Come back to me. Sorry, that came out wrong. All I'm saying is, don't you miss home?
I do. I do miss it. But I don't think it's the right time. James told me everything happens for a reason. Well, maybe I need to be here a little while longer.
I'm always here for you, right?
I know. Thank you, Jinri.
Focus! Kanina pa natin ginagawa ito, hindi nyo pa rin makuha!
Pasensya na, Coach.
Coach.
Dumating na ang star player.
Vicky.
Totoo naman. Isang game lang na ipanalo niya. Kung umasta, akala mo kung sino. Who the hell do you think you are, huh? Wala ka pa napapatunayan.
Okay, that's it. Anong problema mo, Vicky?
Ikaw ang problema ko. Ang kapal ng mukha mo. Babalik ka dito, akala mo ganun-ganun lang? Tapos okay na lahat?
What? Can someone translate?
Ang yabang mo talaga. Akala mo kung sino ka? Madali lang kasi lahat sa'yo. Bumalik ka na lang sa pinanggalingan mo.
Victoria!
I don't know what you're talking about, but for your information, I asked your dad if I can come in late today, and he said yes. Kung ikaw may problema, sabihin sa akin. Seryoso ako. Kung gusto mo, ikaw maglaro. Bakit nga ba hindi ikaw player, ha? Obviously, you know everything, right? You know how to win, right? But no, you just stand on the sidelines where it's easy.
Bren.
I'm sorry, coach, but I've had it. Do you know what it's like to be on that court? No! Hindi mo alam kasi hindi ikaw player. So get over yourself and stop acting like a brat! I'm sorry. That was too far.
Vicky! Anak! Ano ba? Take 10 minutes. Hindi pa tapos ang practice, ha? Malinaw? You! Me, usap later.
Ay, easy lang ah.
What is her problem? Gawa ko na lahat ng sabi niya. Bakit siya galit na galit?
Ay, gusto mo bang malaman kung bakit? Ay, kinuwento sa akin ni Vicky yung nangyari doon sa Korea. Inimbitahan mo daw siyang magkita kayo sa istasyon ng tren. O, di ba? Ay, matagal daw siya naghintay. Pero di ka dumating.
Uhax?
Oh, Vicky, anong ginagawa mo dito? Tumakas ka, no?
Hindi ah.
Bakit parang gulat na gulat ka?
Wala. Naligaw ako. Bad trip ako kasi hindi ako makauwi.
Nako, puro ka palusot eh. Alam mo bang delikado yung ginagawa mo? Paano kung iba'y nakakita sa'yo? Kapag nahuli ka nila, lagot ka. Paano kung di ako yung dumating?
Sinabi nang hindi ako tumakas eh.
Oo na. Huwag ka na umiyak. Sige na. Naniniwala naman ako sa'yo eh. Halika na, bumalik na tayo sa dorm bago pa may makakita sa'yo. Malamang hinahanap ka na nila.
Ang kaso, kumalat na pala yung nangyari eh. May nakakita sa inyo magkasama. At pagdating niya sa Pilipinas, pinagbintangan siyang traidor. Mas kinampihan daw ni Vicky yung team nyo kesa sa team ng Pilipinas nang dahil sa'yo, Brent!
Pax!
Oh, Vicky!
Talagang pinagkalat mo sa buong school, no? Ngayon, alam na nilang lahat! Chismoso!
Hoy! Kapal na mukha mo, ah! Sino ka ba para sampalin mo si Wax?
Wala akong pinagsabihan.
Sinungaling!
Bakit? Totoo naman, di ba? Nilandi mo yung Koreano kaya nalaman nila lahat ng plays ng team natin kaya tayo natalo. Traidor ka na, malandi ka pa.
Bitiwan mo nga ako!
There is nothing to explain, Miss Sebastian. Madaming witnesses para mag-corroborate na ikaw ang nagsimula ng gulo. Do you deny it?
Ma'am, please let me explain.
Were you being attacked? Dinidepensahan mo ba ang sarili mo?
Ma'am, iniinsulto na lang yung pagkatao ko.
And for that, you gave her a black eye and a broken nose, Diyos mio. You resorted to violence which is unacceptable. Alam mo ba na ang pamilya ni Janine Cortez ang isa sa pinakamalaking benefactor ng school na to? Gusto ka ipa-expel ni Mrs. Cortez, pero magiging mabait ako. First offense mo to. So, you are suspended for 3 weeks.
Ma'am, please. Next week na po yung women's basketball tryout.
And so?
Ma'am, please. Ilang buwan na po ako nagtatraining para dun. Matagal ko na pong pangarap yun, ma'am. It's all I want to do and I've been working really hard. Please reconsider. This is the last tryout, ma'am. Pag hindi po ako nakapunta, wala na po akong chance na makasali pa ako sa team. This is my last chance to try out.
Miss Sebastian.
Please, ma'am. Please reconsider. Nagulat lang po ako. Nabigla. I'll do anything. Kahit ipalinis niyo pa po lahat.
Miss Sebastian, if it was that important to you, then you should have thought twice bago mo ginawa yung ginawa mo. I believe this will be a valuable lesson for you, and I will not deprive you of it. I'm sorry, but my decision is final.